Hi guys, today I'm making crunchy Nigerian buns. Nigerian buns are easy to make and it takes just a little of your time. It's crunchy on the outside and soft and pillowy on the inside. This right here is a perfect snack that can be made for family and friends. So let's make some crunchy Nigerian buns. First, I'm going to add my flour into the bowl. Sugar, baking powder, some nutmeg, and some salt. Then I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. Mix it up nicely. After which I will add my room temperature butter. I'll mix that in also. Make sure you don't over mix your batter. Our batter is ready. I'm going to heat up some oil. Now I'll start scooping my batter into the hot oil. After about 8 to 10 minutes, I'll transfer them into a bowl lined with paper towels to soak up the excess oil. There you have it, your crunchy Nigerian buns ready in minutes. Thank you all so much for watching today's episode of Dish So Sweet. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on all our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you next time. In the meantime, I'll be here enjoying my delicious crunchy Nigerian buns. Bye for now.